Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by using the account that owns or was granted access. This avoids permission errors. Once signed in, open Google Drive or the Google Forms app and search the form name or sort by recent activity to find it quickly. Make sure the form's access level is visible. Owner and editor can modify, viewer can only view. If you lack permission, request access from the owner and explain why. This speeds the process and reduces back and forth. Once the form is open, check whether you're in Edit or Preview mode. Edit shows questions, responses, and Settings tabs so you can change fields. Use the Settings tab to control who can respond. Restrict to users in your organization, require sign-in, or allow anonymous responses. To share the form, click Send and choose Link, Email, Embed Code, or Invite Collaborators. Make sure you set their access to editor or viewer as needed. This keeps responses accurate and permissions clear. To finish, set the response destination. Link responses to a Google Sheet for analysis, or keep them in forms if you prefer. This matters for storage and formulas. Once done, test the live form with a sample submission to verify conditional logic, required fields, and notification emails. If someone cannot access the form, clear cache and cookies or try an incognito window. If that fails, have the owner reshare explicitly to the user's email address. This one troubleshooting step solves most access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.